The magic of music. Today, I discovered the magic of music. My mom took me to a concert in the park. The band played cheerful songs and people danced around. I felt the music in my heart. I watched the musicians with their guitars, drums, and trumpets. It was amazing to see how they created beautiful sounds together. I wanted to dance, so I joined other kids, twirling and jumping. The music made me feel so happy. After the concert, I tried playing the drums with my friends. We made our own rhythms, and it was so much fun. I learned that music can bring people together and make them smile. I can't wait to learn to play an instrument myself. Maybe I'll take piano lessons. Music is a wonderful way to express feelings and enjoy life. I hope to go to more concerts in the future.